Hi guys, in this video we will see how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G, and there are three ways you can easily take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy. The first one is through side button or volume button. Conjointly press volume button and side button and take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. How to view your screenshot? Go to gallery and you will find here your newly created screenshot here. The second way to take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G is through quick setting panel. Scroll down from the top right corner and you will find your screenshot icon. Simply tap on it and a screenshot will be taken accordingly. And the third one is through Edge panel of your Samsung Galaxy F70e. Simply launch the Edge panel. You must enable Edge panel through your settings, and here you will find the screenshot app. Tap on it and your screenshot will be accordingly taken.